No, it's all good.
It's okay.
It's all good.
All right, class. Like we said before, we're talking about call and response. Like Miss Frey said before, it's when one group says something and another group says something else. Not repeats it, but kind of responds to it, like a question.
An echo, when you go into a cave and do an echo. Question and answer.
By question and answer.
Yeah, when the voice.
Why are you stopping me?
I'm not.
All right. Yes.
Is it kind of like has the Taylor like get answered back? Yes, no, yes, no. Yes, no, maybe so. Did
All
you
right.
say when you eat potatoes they answer you back?
So we're gonna listen to the song. We're not gonna look at it yet, okay? I'm gonna see if you guys can catch on.
Hey, why did you? This is
It's okay. Yes.
I know how many beats do I?
How many?
4 beats.
You got it. That's right.
You can hear him.
Hear it.
I'll count my 4
Now, you can tell me what the call was.
The response would be easier.
Or what's easier? Tell me what the response is. Daddy-o. Here you go. Kenny has a boyfriend. Pizza, pizza, daddy-o.
Why did it say pizza?
Because it's about pizza.
Pizza.
Boyfriend
I love pizza.
No, a boyfriend is a pizza. They go out for pizza.
Oh, so the girl took the boyfriend out. What is the girl mean?
We're going to listen to it again.
Yes.
And when it's the call, I want your hands on your hips. Right here. And when it's the response, I want your hands on your shoulders. So you guys know where it's
Head,
going.
shoulders, head, down.
Alright, the call, down here, response.
Let's
to show the call and the response. If you're in a group and you're going to be in the call, you're going to be using the maracas, and then if you're the response, you're going to be playing on the xylophone, and you're going to go. Is that right? Okay. All right. So the response.
Pizza, pizza, daddy-o.
All right.
Can you do it one more time? It sounds cool.
Sounds
Do it
really
one more
good.
time. I love it.
Let's just try to get some more. There we go. See if you're right. See if they can see it. Uh-oh.
Yeah, daddy-o. 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 It's daddy-o.
All right. So the notes you're going to be using, class, the notes you're going to be using are A and F sharp. A, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, A, F, A, F, A, F.
Daddy.
Oh, I thought
What you said?
So daddy-o.
It's the daddy that you put 2 A's.
I thought it said daddy. I thought it said hashtag. Do it one more time. Then she'll get
No. So, it's a good guess though.
I know which one's what way to me.
We're not talking about that today. We're just talking about call and response, okay?
I thought this was hashtag at the end.
No, that's called a sharp. When you're talking music and there's that,
Oh, I
that's a
thought it
sharp.
was a hashtag.
It raises the pitch a little bit.
I know how to explain all about hashtags.
All right. So that's great.
Okay, we're going to show you how it works.
All right. So make sure you're watching. If you do it.
Pizza, pizza, daddy-o. Pizza, pizza, daddy-o. Pizza, pizza, daddy-o. Roll it, daddy-o. Swing it, daddy-o. Lock it, daddy-o. Twist it, daddy-o.
During this part, the Robin can play the same.
Pizza, pizza, daddy-o. Pizza, pizza, daddy-o. Pizza, pizza, daddy-o. Roll it, daddy-o. Swing it, daddy-o. Lock it, daddy-o. Twist it, daddy-o. Daddy-o.
Do you guys understand?
Yeah, we understand.
Okay. Don't move yet, okay? Don't move yet. All right? Mickey Mouse is going to start out on maracas. Okay? This is Mickey Mouse. Broadway, you are going to play with the xylophones. I have to get all of them out first. All right? You're going to be on the xylophones. Don't worry. And then Mike and Donald Duck, you guys are going to be able to play with the movement stars. You can dance. All everyone else is doing is dance. That's it. That's right. Isaiah, it's okay. We're not playing. All right? You'll be able to do it at one time. Okay?
Right here. I found it.
All right. Don't move yet. All right? Hey, be careful over there. Watch out for my phone. I'm trying to record, okay? No, it doesn't matter. Just try to get one or two.
It doesn't matter how many you
Whoa,
have.
whoa, whoa. Watch out. I'm trying to record, okay? Isaiah, you got it?
It doesn't matter how many you get. Yeah, no, there's just a little bit of them. Look at me.
Hey, Isaiah, come over here, please. Alright, remember, Moroccan, you are the call. You play first. And then xylophone, you play second. You are the response. It's free movement. You can do whatever you want. Do not hit anyone, okay? Do not throw anything. Alright?
It doesn't matter.
Hey guys, be careful. That was my fault. Hey, let's do no more than 2 scars, okay? Everyone will get hurt. Let's just then I suck it. Put it back and suck it.
Ow! Oh my god! You slid and you were doing that.
If you have the rocket,
What?
go to the xylophone. Xylophone, go to the scarves. 2 scarves. Scarves, you will go to maracas. Alright?
Red! Oh my god! What happened to you? Pink. Pink, pink. This is mine. Pink.
Be careful, guys. You're dropping them.
Give me red.
I don't want you to red. Flip and fold. Okay? Be careful. Only 2.
She's videoing it. That's a video. She's videoing.
Alright. I'll show you this one more time. Remember? Here you go.
I got it.
Hey. Remember, my dad.
Partners.
stars. Please put your stars back in the bucket.
Oh, look at this.
Carefully, please.
Ah! Here, oh, Kylie. Put it in fried. Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza, daddy. Ow. Ow. You need some help with that? No, I can do it at the iPod. Here, drop it back. Oh, this one goes in here. Hurry up. Say that. It goes in this shelf right here, Miss Parker.
The second one on the bottom. 3. Right in that open space, right there. Thank you, Shelby. Okay. Alright, we're going to be learning about a group from a different culture. Do you guys know the country New Zealand?
No.
Have you ever New Zealand's a different country. It's down south. It's by Australia. It's by Australia, so it's way down there.
I've heard of New York. I've heard of New York.
The kids that you guys are going to see in this are dressed a little bit differently. They're dressed differently. But that's part of their culture. Okay? So it's probably not really appropriate to laugh when you see it. Because it's their culture.
Okay, I'll cover up. I'll fall on sidewalk. I don't know.
Can you look quietly?
I'll laugh inside.
This is a traditional song that they sing when they have like new people come to a village. They meet new people, so they sing it welcoming them. Could you hear the call and response?
No.
I heard
At the very beginning, because remember at the very beginning there was one. was one voice, and it was kind of
Yeah.
calling, and then the rest of the group came in, and it was the response to that. I know, sometimes people mess up.
Marshmallow swinger.
Those are actually called poi. Let me talk to you about those. Poi is a Maori word for ball. The long poi is a ball tied to a long string, and the string's about 3 feet long. We're actually going to watch how you make one of those.
Yes! Are we going
It's
to
really
make
easy
one?
to make.
Are we going to make one?
We can't today, but if you want to go home and do it. I don't know, that's up to Miss Ray.
Alright, you take a string, put a Velcro strap around it,
You will need a piece of colorful cord around 40 inches long, a sheet of newspaper or wrapping paper, a white plastic garbage bag, enough bubble wrap to make a 10-inch circle, a pair of scissors, a rubber band, and a marker that will write on plastic. You may find a paper plate useful as a guide for cutting the circles. To begin, crumple the paper, then tie it in the center very firmly with a double knot. Using a marker and the plate as a guide, cut the bubble wrap into a 10-inch circle.
What did she not put?
Cut a larger circle out of the white plastic garbage bag. Make it 12 to 13 inches across. Take the paper ball and crumple it tightly, then cover it with the bubble wrap, followed by the white plastic. Hold it tightly in place, then wrap a rubber band around the base.
She's fast.
She's been doing this for a while.
Last, knot the string at the end so it doesn't fray.
It needs to come apart in pieces.
Oh, you're talking about spread?
All right.
Crisscross. I know how to make one.
The children singing Kia ora are Maori. Maori are Polynesian people who arrived in canoes long ago on the islands they call Aotearoa. English people, who arrived on the islands much later than the Maori, called it New Zealand. It is located in the South Pacific Ocean, and its nearest neighbor is Australia. The Maori name for canoe is waka. You'll find the word waka in the song Kia ora. Many Maori songs trace their history to the arrival of the first canoes on Aotearoa. Kia ora was performed by children of the bilingual unit of Clendon Park Primary School near Auckland. If you visited the school, they would welcome you with a pōwhiri, a Maori welcome ceremony. The karanga, or call, announces the arrival of guests. At a pōwhiri and other ceremonies, Maori sing many songs, and they often perform poi songs like Kia ora. Some poi songs use long poi, and others use poi with a shorter chord. Poi songs sometimes use 1, 2, 3, or even 4 poi simultaneously. At the beginning of Kia ora, the caller says hope, which is the command to get ready. Then you hear toru fa, which means 3, 4. It is a typical counting pattern used to start a song. Toru fa, get ready to have fun learning Kia ora. The side spin is the easiest. Hold both poi to the side and spin toward the front.
Do you remember in the song when they were doing all the different moves? That's what this is.
The crisscross and side pattern lasts for 4 beats. The crisscross is on the first beat. Notice that one elbow goes in front of the other when the poi are brought to the front on beat 1. Then there are 3 spins to the side.
Oh, that is easy. Yeah, that's easy. I got this thing that we, Sister Cat, she's
To perform the front spin, move the poi from the side to the front. Then gradually alternate crossing the right elbow over
It's
the
probably a
left
lot harder
and
than
the left elbow over the right.
Couldn't they get tangled up that way?
it's possible.
They have to get tangled up. Whatever you did.
The crisscross pattern involves crossing left elbow over right, then right over left. You may find it helpful to get the arm motion before trying this with poi. Focus on the elbow that is on top. Begin with the poi on each side, then cross left elbow over right. After that, you alternate left elbow on top with right elbow on top. Try saying left on top, right on top, left on top as you go. Once you get the feel of this, the poi seem to follow one another in an alternating motion.
That's on top.
See, now if you make your own at home, you know some moves like what to do.
The most challenging movement is to keep the poi spinning in opposite directions, holding them with only one hand. After the poi are spinning in front, gradually move them to the center. Notice that the hands move up and down together to keep the poi spinning.
Yeah.
Gradually transfer the strings to one hand, keeping the up and down motion steady. This takes lots of practice, but it is really fun to do.
Whoa. That's even harder. Did he just put one in his hand?
Put one in his hand.
Oh my God.
You want to see the song one more time?
Okay. So who can tell me what a call and response song is?
Oh.
Someone I haven't heard talk.
Isaiah, stop that.
What? One part to another, like one group is singing and another. That's kind of right.
I've got to help this child. He got himself stuck in his shirt. Stop, stop, stop. Isaiah.
Now you what do you think?
I think because it answers a question like asks it and then it
There you go. What do you think?
Oh, I was gonna say it's like a
Like a repeat. response songs where they'll start off a call and their response is just repeating what the call was. What do you think, Marcus?
I think it's like when the person is singing, says something like, why do you, like, another person singing answers the question I have. And it says something.
Yeah. Are you guys, I gotta ask you guys a question. How many of you feel like you're being respectful listeners to your neighbors when they're answering the question? Honestly. So just, some of you weren't being respectful listeners, were you? Okay? So I'm glad for the ones that were. But you have to remember that you can learn from each other. And so it's really important that when somebody else is answering a question that we all listen to the answer. Because we might learn something. Okay? All right. Good. It could possibly be the same question that you're getting ready to ask. That's true.
And you want, and you didn't really ask someone, and you asked the same question.
It's okay. You'll be able to say it.
She said, one, two, the person that said that, she said,
Are you talking about the point? Yeah, the balls with the string.
Well, we can't today, but I will let you guys hear it as you're getting ready to walk out the door. It is time to line up.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go ahead and line up, okay?